In this video, guys, I'm going to give you the top 3 ways to make money online fast in 2019. The first way, affiliate marketing. Well, many of us, if not all of us, have heard of affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a type of performance-based marketing in which a business rewards one or more affiliates for each visitor or customer brought by the affiliate's own marketing efforts. So basically, they're not paying for marketing, you are. And sometimes you can get that marketing free, but basically companies will pay you to do the legwork. If you can master traffic or tap into an already existing traffic source, you can do very well in affiliate marketing. Getting traffic is no easy task, though, I know from experience, but it is very attainable. So tap into the many sources for getting traffic out there. My suggestion is to research online, and right here on YouTube is a very good resource. Also Google and other areas. Traffic sources, as mentioned, like Google and YouTube, are great, but you can even add Instagram and Facebook as traffic sources when it comes to affiliate marketing and making those offers. But everybody has their policies and their regulations, so definitely read those policies and regulations. I know Facebook in particular is very particular about affiliate marketing and their links, so look into that as well. But basically, you have a product or an affiliate product plus traffic equals sales. And there's really 7 steps here when it comes to affiliate marketing. You want to choose your niche, what you're into. Number 2, you want to research different affiliate programs and products out there. Number 3, build a site. Many people underestimate that as well, building a website or blog for their affiliate products. Number 4, produce excellent content. And number 5, build an audience. 4 and 5 really go hand in hand. If you have excellent content and you promote it, the audience will follow. And number 6, promote your affiliate products. Number 7, repeats steps 4 through 7. You know, maybe this sounds a little oversimplified, but it's not. It also helps if you have a product people actually want to buy or really interested in. Number 2, start a blog. And really this goes hand in hand with the first one with affiliate marketing. A blog is an online journal or informational website displaying information in the reverse chronological order with the latest posts appearing first. It is a platform where a writer or even a group of writers share their views or an individual subject. So having your own blog creates a wealth of opportunities to create streams of passive income. So take a moment to think of this. Think of something you really enjoy doing. Perhaps something that is not too saturated online. Regular posting on your cooking blog, maybe that's something you really like, or your fitness blog can net you some faithful followers. People will follow your blog for that new casserole that you make or pie or whatever, if the content is good. Can't preface that enough. And when you've created a blog, the next step is to monetize it. Ads are one of the easiest ways to do so. With programs like Google AdSense and Amazon Associates program, you can easily monetize your blog. It's really not that hard. And with places like WordPress, which I highly recommend, it's basically a free platform to build your blog. And once you get that idea for your blog, you'll need hosting. And I'll put some links down below for hosting as well. So keep that in mind. When someone visits your blog and decides to click on an ad, you will make a profit. However, you will only make a few cents per click or views, but with a lot of traffic, it can add up. Eventually, you can approach potential partners and have them buy ad space on your site. If you've got your niche right and have enough traffic, a blog is also a great space to recommend products and services through your affiliate links. Number 3, sell on eBay. We hear a lot about Amazon, and Amazon's a great company, but don't forget eBay. eBay's been around for years, and people have been making some nice income on eBay, myself included. And with all 3 of these ideas, these ways, I use every one of them, all 3 of them right now. And I'll show you proof and the links in the descriptions below. So just click on some of my blogs and just check it out for yourself. Good or bad, check it out. It's not the greatest. I'm not a professional, website designer. I did create these on my own, but you can do it too. That just shows you I'm not tech savvy in any way. But selling on eBay, even if you don't want to quit your job and really go for it, you can still use eBay to make a significant second income. You can pack up orders during the week, send them out, take them down to your post office. Know the weekends like Saturday is a good time to do it. Many people are shopping online that time. There are a few other things you could be doing with your spare time that have anywhere near that kind of earning potential. And many people don't realize you can do and flip things on eBay and become very profitable doing it. What's more, eBay doesn't care who you are, where you live, or what you look like. Some power sellers are very old. Let's be frank. They're older. They're very young. Nobody cares. Some live out in the middle of nowhere, where selling on eBay is one of the few alternatives to farming or being very poor. Not many choices in certain places, but eBay has opened the opportunity for many. And eBay tears down the barriers to earning that the real world constantly puts up. There's no job interview, no commuting involved. If you can post things, you can do it. Put it this way, if you know where to get something reasonably cheap that you could sell, then you can sell it on eBay. And since you can always get discounts for bulk at wholesale and different wholesalers out there, that's not exactly that difficult. Here's the key. Buy a lot of something in demand at a cheap price. That's the key. In demand at a cheap price. Buy low, sell high, right? That goes in a lot of things. And sell it on eBay. And you're making money already with no setup costs. If you want to dip your toe in the water before you commit to actually buying anything, then you can just sell things that you have laying around the house. And I truly, truly recommend this. Don't just go out and buy a whole bunch of things because, oh man, I just have a gut feeling this is going to sell. And then you spend all this money. Please do not do that if you're new to selling on eBay. Get a step-by-step guide to selling on eBay for beginners. If you'd like to get started selling on eBay, check out my blog, and you can listen on the go to my podcast at www.mrgettingplace.com. That's MRGET, letter NPLACE.com. And check the link in the description below for other work-at-home ideas and opportunities. I will put those in the description. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel, guys, as well. So here are my top 3 ways when it comes to making money online. Check out those opportunities if you're interested. Take care, guys. We'll see you in the next one.